ganda. Hello brother, how are you? Mir. Are you Mir?
Yeah, yo.
We eat for eating, no? Drink only? Closed restaurant? Why? We, no people? Oh. We want to try Albanian food. Can you cook for us? No. Yeah. The other hotel? Oh, okay.
Nuko Ishimi.
What is nuko? Ushimi is food, right?
Yeah, nothing.
Nuko,
Nuko is nothing.
nothing. Okay, nothing. Nuko ushimi. Okay. Okay, brother. Mir Papshim. Respect. Yun. So, lilipat kami ng so you know how to drive? You know how to use the car now? Okay. Upward is reverse, right? Do not forget, maybe you will bump the car. It's not my car. We don't have much money to pay. Yung English po namin, English Carabao. Hindi naman po ako kasi sa English. Okay lang naman po yun. Hindi naman kailangan yun na para maging kang tao. Hindi mo naman ikakabuti yung pagiging magaling mo na English. The weather now is good. I open. It's open. Happy for you, brother. What?
Come on, teach me.
Okay.
Okay.
You press that and then you press the okay.
Alright.
Up.
One.
Reverse. Up. Oh. One more.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
Be careful, okay? It's not our car.
Okay.
Okay. Downward.
One.
Drive, okay. Drive. Yun po yung yung place namin. Very beautiful. Okay. Okay, go. Oops, I will close the gate. Stop
Okay.
stop
Wait a
first.
minute.
Okay. Aray. Nakasumpong yung Nakasumpong yung rayuma ko. Sobrang lamig kasi. Yan, ang ganda po ng place namin, yan. Tapos yung mga tao dito, mababait po. Sobrang sobrang babait. Ano pa sila? Hindi pa polluted yung kanilang isip. Wala pa silang kaagad na iniisip na masama sa kapwa-tao. Ano lang sila, chill. Chill lang po ang buhay dito. Aray.
Say hi.
Hey!
Okay.
Okay. You know how to use the signal, right? The signal is there.
Signal.
Yeah,
For what?
the signal. This one is the
Ah,
signal.
yeah.
The signal light. Signal, going right. Do not forget that always. Okay. Step on the gas. Yan.
Okay. This is Mercedes-Benz, right?
Yeah, this is Mercedes-Benz. But this is not ours.